Hello guys, in this video we'll be looking into the third unit of the module Lightning Experience Customization, which is create and customize list views. So let's look into our hands-on challenge. So we'll be creating an opportunity list view over here and adding extra filters on the top as per our customization. So first let's split our screen with our Trailhead playground. Once we are in that, let's go to opportunities section and let's create a new list view. Click on new and let's copy paste the list name, high probability opportunities, and let's select that all users can see the list view. And let's go ahead and save it. So here let's customize what the list view must be showing. So we have to make sure that the stage is proposal, price quote, or negotiation review. So let's add a filter and field as stage. So let's go ahead and select stage, and operator is equals, and value is proposal, price quote, negotiation review. So we can select both of them in a single go. Okay, so we have created our first filter. Let's add a second filter as well. So in our second filter, let's add the field probability, and the operator as greater than or equal, and the value is 50%. So let's go ahead and save it. Okay, we are done with the challenge. It was a very small one. So let's see if we have done everything right in this challenge. If you have any queries, as usual, let me know in the comments below. I'll try to answer them. Okay, that's perfect. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.